Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of June the 15th to the 21st, and we have 2 freebies in this ad, and it is a pretty exciting little week over at Walgreens. So the first thing I want to talk about is on Wednesday, many of us received this, which is a 7-back when you spend $35. Always your mileage may vary if you get these or not, and if you're not getting them, you're probably getting the paper ones in store. And as you see, it says multi-use, so I'm thinking it's going to work for the week of the 15th and the week of the 22nd because the expiry is the 28th, but we'll definitely have to test it out. And the first freebie that we have is a free 8x10 photo. You're going to use the code PICKWITHDAD, where the coupon code is, and you will not even have to pay tax. When you go and get this at the store, please make sure that you put your phone number in on the keypad to ensure that a booster may print for you. Also, you can ask like, hey, are those coupons printing out of that machine? It'll give you an idea, yes or no. You might have to get the photo and do the transaction at the front of the store in case one of those might print for you, but let's hope something prints. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital coupons will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday the 15th. And to all the dads out there, happy Father's Day. It is your day this Sunday. Hopefully you're doing something fun like going couponing at Walgreens. And if you could do me a huge favor, guys, please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. I would be so grateful. Really helps me out to make sure that this video doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. I would be so grateful if you could take a second and like the video. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so let's get right into this. Another freebie is these Depends for men in the size small to medium. They're on clearance for $1.89 at 90% off. IBOTTA has $2 back with a limit of up to 1. It makes it a complete freebie. This is not a popular size, so a lot of stores still have these around. If you have the IBOTTA rebate, get your freebie. And if this is not your thing, I'm sure a lot of senior center would love to have this as a donation. Next super deal of the week is the $1.88 Arm & Hammer laundry care products that include liquid, pods, and scent boosters. Grabbing 3 of them for $5.64, I would use $5 in Walgreens cash or a register reward, pay 64 cents, and call this a very smart deal. You're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash, but like what a deal, $1.88. I have not seen that price point in some time, especially for those scent boosters. I'm really liking that. This is an interesting one on the Dove Bath Care, $8 to $11, $2 reward when you buy 2, and I'm assuming that's going to be a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 $8 body washes for $16, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $12, get back a $2 register reward, making it $10 for the 2 or $5 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. You might be so lucky to have a booster. This is what they look like. Maybe you'll get one for your photo order. Let's use it in a deal. This deal this week is to buy 4 of these P&G laundry care products to get back a $4 register reward. And all of these items, if you mix and match the P&G pods, the liquid, the Downy, and the Bounce, they all have $1.50 digital coupons. So get a really good mix and match for $21.96. $6 in coupons melting off. It's $1.50 times 4. Scan that paper booster 5 back when you spend $15. With your debit card, you're going to pay $16.96. Get back a $4 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash. That's $9 right there. It's $7.96 for the 4 or $1.99 per unit. Very good deal. Do not use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using the spend 15 to earn back 5. Another interesting one, buy one, get one 50% off on the Dove hair care. $10 reward when you purchase 4. So basically it's a buy 3, get 1 for free. And the Dove Men, we still have this 5 off 2 if you did not use it, and it's valid till the 22nd. So we definitely can finesse this into a deal. Grabbing at least 2 Dove Men's to get that 5 off a 2. It's going to be $20.37. And make sure at least 2 of them are Dove Men's. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $15.37. Get back a $10 register reward, making it $5.37 for the 4 or $1.34 per shampoo. It is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is the Scott toilet paper and paper towel at $5 a pop. For both, we have dollar manufacturers and a $1.25 store coupon if you didn't spend the manufacturers last week. So one of each is $10. Subtracting that store coupon, that's $2.50 off. Subtracting $2 digitals, another $2 off, for a sum of $5.50 for the two, or $2.75 per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now we're looking at the Colgate products at $4 a pop. We have a $4 reward when you buy two with a 3 off 2 digital. Grabbing two Colgates for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for the two, or 50 cents per product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. This deal, if you might have register rewards that you want to throw into it to make a lesser out of pocket, by all means. But the Playtex is buy one, get one 50% off. We don't get a lot of deals on feminine care, but grabbing 2 boxes of tampons, it'll be $17.98, and these are the larger boxes. Subtracting a 3 off 2 digital, you'll pay $14.98, get back a $5 register reward, making it $9.98 for the two. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you want to do this deal with no booster, but I would personally use a lot of register rewards, or maybe even a booster. Then you'd have to pay the balance with your debit card, but that's quite a bit out of pocket. But this sort of deal, because we don't get a lot of deals for tampons. Okay, the final deal that we're looking at again is the $7 Olay, $5 reward when you spend $20, and a lot of us have a 5 off 3 digital. So grabbing 3 of these, it's going to be $21. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $16. Get back a $5 register reward. And then IBOTTA has $1 back for each body wash. So double, triple check that you still have that. It would make it $8 for the 3, or $2.66 per body wash. Again, it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But if you were going to use this in that $35 booster, this would be a large chunk of it. Just a little food for thought. You'd have to pay the balance with your debit card if you're going to use it in a booster deal. Honorable mention time. The first one goes to this. If we have digital coupons to go with these $3.50 Crest products or Oral-B, this potentially has the workings to be a very good deal. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. We also have the buy one, get 2 for free on the complete home food storage bags. So typically the first one is $2.79. We have 2 for free. It makes it 93 cents per, which is fantastic for these 20 counts of these bags. We also have the Doritos and Tostitos and the dip for $2.99 with Father's Day this weekend. They always include this sort of stuff, like cheaper food. So it's nice to see that's back. It hasn't been for a while. And $1.99 for these peanuts and Magic Mix. Honestly, if you just wanted to spend maybe like $10 in Walgreens cash, you probably could get a nice basket of snacks for dad over at Walgreens, and it would look really nice with your 8x10 photo. And the CeraVe hair care for $9.99. I was talking with a subscriber about CeraVe and Cetaphil, these great products. It's nice to see their shampoo for $9.99 this week. If you know, you know. If you need these products, that's a very good price point, especially if you're going to use Walgreens cash. And there was IBOTTA rebates for these Nivea products, and they've since put like a time ticker on them. If it comes back, possibly this could be a deal, but we'll have to wait and see how that plays out. And that's it for this video. And in case you missed it, Dollar General clearance event started on Friday, ends next Thursday. I did a little haul video yesterday. If you have some time to get out to the Dollar General, watch the video linked right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.